So Jason, I like your drawing so far.
Yeah.
Looks like you've got a nifty little line there that you might need to get rid of.
Yeah, well, that's on purpose, Katrina. I wanna show everyone how we go about deleting lines when we need to, and that would allow us to redraw some areas.
Perfect.
So I've got this little extra little line hanging out here, and in order to get rid of that line, I flip over to the Edges mode. And when I'm in Edges mode, I just come down here and tap on Delete Edge. See how it highlights Delete Edge?
Yeah.
From here, now I can just tap on any line and it deletes it.
Perfect.
When I'm in Draw mode, I also have the Undo Redo button. So if I want to undo, redo the last thing that I did, I can delete lines that way as well.
Great.
If I'm really desperate and I need to start over, I can tap on that Delete All right over here. But we're pretty close to having an accurate drawing here.
Yeah.
Don't think I want to worry about deleting all of them. I just want to show you how some of these crooked lines that aren't quite lined up, how we can put those back into position.
Yeah.
Flip over into Draw mode, bring your cursor and just set your cursor on any point and you can pick it up. You leave it there for about a second, but there is a setting for that. So if you want that pickup time to be a little longer, a little shorter, you can actually change it here. I have it at 0.7 seconds.
Wonderful.
Go ahead and cancel, come right back, and I think I did a pretty good job getting that straight, but let's pick it up one more time. Bring those hips into alignment and use that cursor tail to make sure that my ridge line there is nice and straight.
Wonderful. And I noticed that cursor color also changed from red to blue once we were readjusting those lines. So look for that as a visual cue.
Absolutely. As soon as we pick it up, that cursor color changes, just like Katrina said. Get that lined up with the vertical, and I'd say that looks pretty good. And then you can tap on the screen or just lift your finger, and that will leave it in place.
Perfect.
So that's how you reposition any lines that might be a little bit crooked, and of course delete any lines that you need to delete that are extra, or if you need to redraw an area. Last but not least, don't forget to go into facets at the tail end and make sure that all of your roof sections are shaded in blue. Of course, we haven't added pitch yet, which is required, and we haven't labeled our lines yet, which is also required, but this at least gives us a sense that we have closed in all of those roof sections correctly within our drawing.
Perfect.